Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap on this theme, name it, and click OK Creative. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change round style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size, and even adjust it to the notch. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always click on one of these sources, for example photos. Select a photo, adjust it, and click at the top right corner. Then, when you're done, click Create and tap on the theme that you created. Choose Enable Wallpaper. Then click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use your apps, you can always go back into the same app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Over here you need to select Yes, then click on the switcher over here next to this app. I will find it over here, so you need to click on the switcher next to Route Lightning RBG, go back and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!